Hi, friends. Welcome back. It's Panda Class with Mr. B. That's me. So happy you can join me again. In the back, I have my two favorite pandas. We have Bam and we have Boo. Today's story is The Sunflower by Miela. And all of my stories you can get at your local library. Sunflower seeds. This story was written in 1995. I hold the seed in my hand. It is white with dark stripes. Carefully, I place it in the ground. Every day, I water it. Every day, I watch and wait. Then, little green leaves. Up to my knees. Up to my nose. Over my head. Big yellow petals face the sun. Seeds in the center. Treats for the butterflies, treats for the birds. Treats for me. And seeds for next year. The sunflower. It's a nice story I got from the library. All right, friends, that concludes another session of your favorite Panda Class with Mr. B. That's me. All right, friends, it's that time again. Let's put our left hands in the air. Pinch pot, cheese, cheese, cheese. Pinch pot, cheese, cheese, cheese. Okay, friends, I'll see you next time. Have a great day.